Good evening, good afternoon. That's what I would say. Good afternoon. In some places, it's good evening. How are you doing? My name is Kelvin Bridges. I'm the Artfather, and I'm just giving you a quick update. It won't take much of your time. It's raining outside. It's a rainy day. It's gonna rain for the next 3 days. I find when when it's Wednesday, Thursday, somewhere around there, the stocks tend to drop. It tends to, people selling out. But in Fridays, it's a sellout, especially on rainy days. I don't know what it is with rainy days, and the hump day, Wednesday, it usually down. So it went from being in profit, that was, 50 cents or $1 in profit down to $1 gain. Now, don't let that discourage you. You're going to get days like this. Just because it goes like that, it doesn't mean it's not. It doesn't mean you're not making profit. Now, yesterday, it was charge point. It was up 10%, 12%, even at maximum 20%. I recommend that from, let me give a disclaimer, I'm not giving you no financial advice here. I'm sharing my financial insight, my financial results. Okay? I got that out of the way. You notice that plug power was up there at 10%. You're going to get days when even JD was down. JD was, down. You only get days where it's going to change. So when you want to cash out, this is how you do it. You go here and you hit sell. So you cash out when you got a good percentage. And I always say and recommend anything above 5% is good. 4% being the minimum. Now, if you get a 12%, that's a winner, baby. If you get 20%, like I have got 22%, that's a winner as well. But I want to show you something where a lot of investors' eyes don't pick up. You see, Fisher is down 28%. And I just looked it up. It's 50%. This is a gold mine. This is where you buy the dip. So here I buy. Let's see what it is. How much the stock is over here. It's a 73-cent stock, guys. Guys, this is a penny stock here. When you get it like that, this when you really buy. Like I'm gonna put $2 on it. Let's see how well it does. All right, it's good. Confirm. Most people go, "Oh God, it's down so low. What I'm gonna do? Boo hoo hoo." No, this is when you buy it. Because when it's down that low, you got a better chance. Instead of you trying to find it, you got a better chance of working with it. Now, Fisher had picked itself up. Okay. Ah, it was down. All these right here are down. Tesla. Look at that one is down. Now, obviously, I'm gonna buy just $1 worth. Excuse me, just $1 worth of Tesla. Test it because Tesla always gonna go up and down. Confirm. I'm just gonna spend this a few dollars, guys. Today is just a test of buying the dip and analyzing the stocks. Being that the stocks are down, it's a red day. You're gonna get some losing days, so don't just panic. Just understand what you got going for you. And now that I lift that up, Tesla, and I look at these over here, they're gold mines as well. Look at that. Oh my God, this is a real dollar. This requires $3. Oh yes, that's how you do it, guys. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you when they boom up again, and then eventually I'm gonna cash out. It comes a time we gotta cash it out. Okay. Now, I did that. It boomed up. But now I got Rumble. I believe this is Rumble, which is kind of up, but let's see. Share. I'm just going to add $1 anyway, just to lift things up. It's up, so this is going up, by the way, so you'll see it increase. I want to show you something. Okay, so it's a $2 investment. It's down at the moment, but it's not always going to be that way. I've been doing this for years, and like I said yesterday, Plug Power and Charge Point and a few others now. JD was small, but now look at it, it's 12%. So when you get it at this amount, 12%, from my experience, I usually cash it out, because if you can get all of them in the range of over 5 to 12%, you're done good. You're done very well. If my thing is this, I try to get as much as 90% of the trades. Let me show you something. Each of these, like JD.com, JD, that's a trade. This one here, Lufax Holding Ltd, a trade. You know, all these tickets over here, these are ticket symbols you might see, and the ticket symbols you don't see here, but all these are trades. Now, you're going to have some rainy days, and it's raining outside, by the way. It's a wet day. It's supposed to rain all the way to Saturday. Boo-hoo-hoo. But that's all right. So I'm having fun here, guys. I'm looking at ways to upgrade. Okay, see, this is another one where I can put another $1. So I'm not trying to add more stocks to this, because I already got enough. I'm just powering up. That's all I'm doing. Now you might say, why would you go and buy more when it's going to dip? You buy the dip, guys. You don't buy it when it's up in the green. If you buy it up in the green, unless you're doing some type of option trading or something like that, or swing trading where it's just starting off, but you run a risk. You run it because what goes up comes down. Now, what's going down is only there's a roof to it. Because if anything go down to 50%, then the whole stock market, the whole stock itself is frozen. They take it off. They freeze it. So they know they have to lift it back up. And most people, when they see it go down like that, they're going to buy the dip. Those who say, hey, I'm going to buy the dip, because I know it's going to go back up, you know. So it's up to you to decide where you want to invest it. And I usually go with the ones that are the lowest. Boeing, that's pretty low. But I'm not trying to push it out like that. $4.71. See it like 70, like out of $1, 30-cent drop. Then that's where I add. And I see it drop down even low. That's when I add more. Like this one. Hitting treasure. This requires, let's see how much this stock is. Like, okay. All right. Here's the thing. I'm going to add $2 onto it. Again, guys, by the time I'm finished, I'll get for every dollar on average 10 cents or 11, 12 cents or something like that. When it rounds off, the number that it rounds off to is usually 9 to 10% that I make on it, on each monthly trade. And I can easily get 10%. I can get 12%. But it's very difficult to get, 13, 14, 15%. I might get 13. I'll get that on a stock by itself, but on an entire portfolio for the month, maybe 10%, 9%. per month, 120% per year. It's not bad, but it is what it is. You're doing the best that you compound. In some cases, it could be more. All right, I did say that, and I don't want to waste too much time. I just wanted to show you this. And let's go back here and see what's update. What might have changed a little bit. Okay, so now I have on here $53.73. Guys, I gradually increase it. And let's see if what's new. Before I sign off, guys, I want to see what's down at bottom here. Okay. Let's see, Humana is down. Okay. Time to buy some more. Now, I don't know how much I have left, guys. I might have spent all that I got already, so I got to be cautious. Microtech is up. Advanced Microtech. I think I have. Did I purchase that? No. I think I did. Maybe because it wasn't all the way down. Okay. Microsoft. All these are up. Amazon. Now, obviously, they went up over the last few days. If you're into the swing trading, you would have bought it straight when the market opened, or when you're seeing a seize opportunity. Okay. I'm glad that it's up. It is telling me that the market is going to reverse itself. I did that. I saw the Boeing already. I got that Netflix up. So, well, my job is pretty much done for the day. 30%. Coinbase. I already got it. $2.99. Not nowhere near it. Let's go back at Intel. Nowhere near it. And mobile. Nowhere near it. So Coinbase is another one. So what I'm gonna do is go back up here. I see this one's pretty low. No, it doesn't ring well. See if I just get on out of this. And I'll just add, $2 more for Coinbase. Sorry, guys. A little bit of mucus in the throat there, nose. Okay, Coinbase. Just want to add a little bit more on there, just to beef it up a little. This is what you call you're buying the dip, and you're just sort of like, just adding a little by little. Some people call it watering the plants. You're watering the garden. Whatever you want to call it. But the point I'm trying to make is that you slowly grow your investments, and you don't touch it until you have cashed it out and then reinvest it again. The key is to get these type of numbers, 12, 7, 3, you'll just be breaking even. Anything below, excuse me guys, anything below 2%, that's when you start losing money. Depends on what you're buying, but you don't want to do that. You want to get at least a 3 or 4%. If you just I want to just get a little money or break even. Then a 3.5, it gets you a little profit, you know. It's not a lot, but it's a few pennies. That's why they call it penny stock. Okay, guys, enough with my sense of humor here. I got quite a few here that I add on, didn't I? Oh, sorry about this, guys. Okay, I'm gonna have to get a call back again. Someone's calling me, a friend. Um, okay, great. I think I have about 32. Well, y'all have a great day now, and invest $1 a day until you build it up, okay? Bye now.